Good afternoon, Mr.
Yes, can you hear my voice?
Yeah,
Is
I can hear you.
yes, okay. Okay, good. So, how are you, Miss Diska?
I'm great, Mr.
Okay. It has been probably 1 week. Yeah, I haven't found you yet. Yeah, and so right now I find you again. Okay, so that's good. So nice to see you again, Miss Diska. Okay, for this afternoon, we will discuss about something. Yeah. Yesterday, we had been discussing about the explosion in Beirut. Yeah, the explosions in Beirut. Beirut is the capital city of Lebanon. So, have you got the news, Ms. Diska, about the explosions in Beirut?
Yeah, I know, Mr.
Yeah, the explosions, yes, explosions of the ships, yeah, and caused by ammonium nitrates, ya, disebabkan oleh ammonium nitrates, and it was trending on the YouTube, then social media, something like that. Okay, but for this afternoon, yes, so we will talking about this actually. Uh, okay, I will share to you. Yes, about this. Okay, you can see, Miss Jiska, I have shared to you. Yeah. Yesterday, we were learning with Miss Eka. Okay, and yes, for now, we will discuss about this. This is the coronavirus, yeah, victims in New Zealand. Okay, hello, Anissa. How are you? Hello,
Yes, sir,
Anissa.
I'm fine.
Okay. This afternoon you join learning with Miss Diska, one participant from
Yes.
Bogor. Yes, from Bogor.
Oh, yes, sir.
And you from Surabaya. Okay, Anissa, can you please introduce yourself to Miss Diska, please? You can mention
Oh,
names, yeah, and your education, so something like that. Okay, please.
hi, Diska. My name is Anissa. You can call me Anissa. I am 19 years old. I study in Winsa, Surabaya. My major is religious study. And how about you?
Mm, I'm Rizky. I live in Bogor. Uh, I study at, my major is English literature. Nice to meet you, Miss Anissa.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Yes. Do you know what's Miss Diska major, Anissa? Do you know?
Yes, English literature, sir.
Yes, English literature. And she has the same age with you. Miss Diska is 19 years old, and you also.
Oh,
Yeah. And yes,
yeah.
sorry, Miss, and she, yeah, also 19 years old. And sorry, Miss Diska also the second semester. The second semester or third semester, Miss Diska, for now. Are you in the
Third
second semester,
semester,
Miss
Mr.
Diska?
Third, third semester.
Third semester. And how about you, Anissa? Are you in the third semester as well?
Yeah, same, sir. Third semester.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, okay. So maybe you can be friend with Miss Diska. Yeah, you are in Surabaya and Miss Diska in Bogor. Yeah, so one night by bus, yeah, from Bogor to Surabaya. Okay, so next time maybe, yeah, you can find Miss Diska. either dan juga either Miss Jiska can find Anissa itu Surabaya. Okay, so okay, for this afternoon, Anissa, you can see your Zoom. Yeah, I share. This is the coronavirus. This is the live news. New Zealand, biggest city, back in lockdown as global death past 740,000. And this is about the victims of coronavirus. Yeah, and New Zealand also has the big death toll, korban meninggal. Yep. As the global deaths past 740,000. Lebih dari 740.000. Okay, so yes, this is the news from Akhtar Muhammad Makoy. This is actually I will. This is start from Afghanistan. Okay, this is the massive massa. Yeah, attendance at an outdoor mass in the Mikhail neighborhood of Lebanon's capital Beirut. This is also related to Beirut, but okay, I will find the news. This is. This is always change, ya, berubah because this is up down. Australia records its deadliest day of the coronavirus pandemic on Wednesday and the biggest daily rise in infection in 3 days. This is Reuters reports. Reuters itu adalah kantor berita Israel yang namanya Reuters. Reuters reports. Kalau kantor berita Indonesia namanya Antara, ya, Antara News. Ya, kemudian kalau Inggris Guardians, Australia Guardians. Reuters, ya, ada Al Jazeera. Reuters ini internasional juga, yang pusatnya di Israel. Victoria reports 21 deaths, 2 more than the previous death list. Death list artinya paling mematikan. Previous sebelumnya, death list day earlier this week. Yeah. Okay, and 410 new cases in the past 24 hours. Lewat 24 jam ada kasus 410, ya, 410 kasus baru. The new cases and a run of 3 consecutive, ya, days with new infection below 400 and then hopes that a second wave gripping the state of Victoria may be stabilizing. Okay, this is the point. Yeah, the point that the coronavirus cases is not so highest in Australia. Is not so high in Australia. Tidak begitu tinggi in Australia. But in New Zealand, yeah, has the highest. New Zealand also has the high of cases COVID-19, and also USA, America, USA has the cases 5 million cases of coronavirus in the USA. 5 million. Anissa, how many 5 millions in Indonesia? 5 million cases.
5 juta.
5 juta.
5 juta, sir.
Yes. 5 juta kasus in the USA, in America, of coronavirus. And this is also rapid infections, infeksi cepat, rapid spreading, penyebaran cepat of COVID-19, because within 17 days, the cases increased 1 million, from 4 million. Then in 17 days, the cases become 5 million. So increase 1 million within 17 days. Dalam 17 hari, kasusnya meningkat 1 juta kasus in America. And then follow other countries like New Zealand, another country like New Zealand, and Australia, other countries, New Zealand and Australia. But Australia has the strong regulation system. Tapi Australia peraturannya ketat, sehingga korbannya nggak begitu banyak. Nah, di sini kita lihat yang saya share ini adalah Victoria. Victoria itu adalah negara bagian Australia. Victoria adalah negara bagian Australia, ibu kotanya Melbourne. Jadi Australia itu di dalamnya ada 7 negara bagian. Di Australia itu adalah sebuah benua, maka di dalamnya ada 7 negara di Australia itu. Yang pertama adalah Australia Barat, yaitu Western Australia, ibu kotanya Perth. Kemudian yang kedua adalah Australia Utara atau Northern Territory, ibu kotanya Darwin. Kalau orang Indonesia bilang Darwin, kalau orang Inggris bilang Darwin. Oke, kemudian yang ketiga adalah Queensland atau CBD, Capital Brisbane District, ibu kotanya Brisbane. Wilayahnya Queensland, negara bagian Queensland, ibu kota Brisbane. Kemudian yang keempat adalah New South Wales, negara bagian New South Wales, ibu kotanya Sydney. New South Wales, ibu kotanya Sydney. Kemudian negara bagian yang kelima adalah SA, South Australia, ibu kotanya Adelaide. Tulisannya Adelaide, tapi bacanya Adelaide. Oke, yang keenam adalah Melbourne, Melbourne, negara bagian Victoria, yang keenam. Ibu kotanya adalah Melbourne, yang keenam. Jadi selama beberapa tahun Australia memiliki 6 negara bagian. Kemudian ditambah lagi tahun 2017 Australia membuka 1 negara bagian baru, yaitu Tasmania. Jadi Pulau Tasmania, dia terpisah dari Australia, sebuah pulau, tetapi di situ dibuka state baru, negara bagian, yang namanya Tasmania. Ibu kotanya Hobart. Di Tasmania itu adalah suatu pulau yang sering dipakai untuk balapan motor GP. Ya, kalau kita sering melihat motor GP ya, dari Valentino Rossi dan sebagainya kan sering GP Tasmania. Itu ada di pulau itu sekarang menjadi negara bagian Australia. Jadi di Australia ada 7 negara bagian. Di Australia sendiri sekarang. Oke, dan di Australia peraturannya sangat ketat. Jadi ini di Melbourne, ya Melbourne dilaporkan korban meninggal ada 21, padahal yang lainnya udah ribuan, ya kan korban meninggal ini. Oke, the 2 more than the previous death list, yang 2 lebih dari death list day, hari-hari paling mematikan earlier this week, di awal minggu ini. Ya, ada penambahan 2 lagi. And 410 new cases in the past 24 hours. Dan 410 kasus baru dalam 24 jam lebih. Yes, so I will ask your opinion actually from this news. I will ask the first to Miss Jiska. Okay, Miss Jiska. So anyway, what is your opinion for the handling of the coronavirus victims what is your opinion actually, or do you have any idea to prevent the coronavirus infections? Is this guy? Do you have any idea? Because many countries in the world also have the problems for this coronavirus handling, penanganan coronavirus. So, do you have any idea, or what is your opinions like that, Miss Diska?
Mm,
Can you tell us, please?
in my opinion,
Yes.
Melbourne, Australia, can control their citizens, and they they are good at control their citizen, because the victims uh,
Good. The victim,
chips more
yes, is little. Yeah, yeah. It's not so
little than
many.
the country. And I think if Indonesia, America, or another countries good at control their citizen, I think uh, they are cannot they are ada lagi ya.
They cannot, this country cannot.
I think if they a country follow Australian about controlling their citizen,
Yes.
I think coronavirus done not increase.
Yes, will not increase. Yeah, coronavirus will not increase. Yeah, will not increase faster. Ya, lebih cepat. Ya, okay, or rapidly. Ya, dengan cepat. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good opinion, Miss Diska. Okay, Anissa, actually, Miss Diska said, yeah, that Australia actually has the good handling methods, yeah, for the citizens. Yeah, has the strong regulations to prevent the citizen get spreading of coronavirus. Get spreading, the meaning is dapat penyebaran coronavirus. Spreading is penyebaran. Okay, so Australia has the strong regulation to prevent, ya, untuk mencegah the citizens, warga negara, get spreading the coronavirus. Okay, that's good because the victims of coronavirus in Australia, yeah, it's little, yeah, not so many as other countries. Yeah, for example, USA and New Zealand, Indonesia, yeah, they have many victims of coronavirus, but Australia still little, yeah, if comparing with other countries, ya, jika dibandingkan dengan negara lain. Okay, and Miss Dilska, yeah, Miss Dilska also said that if we have good controlling to the people, or good controlling to the coronavirus, yeah, so the coronavirus will not rapidly faster, will not spreading rapidly, yeah, will not spreading rapidly, tidak akan menyebar dengan cepat. Ya, tadi Miss Diska bilang, ya, can, kemudian di situ ada are, makanya Miss Diska berhenti di situ karena are nggak bisa dicampur dengan can. Ya, tadi Miss Diska bilang, ya, Miss Diska said that those countries, negara-negara ini, if those countries can, harusnya can, ya, those countries can. Tadi Miss Diska keceplosan bilang those countries are, ya, are can nggak bisa. Jadi Miss Diska ini berhenti di situ. Ya, jadi Miss Diska akhirnya mengulang pertanyaannya dengan if those countries ya can handling the citizen properly, ya bisa menghandle penduduknya properly dengan baik, ya so the spreading of coronavirus ya will not so fast, will not so fast, or will not rapidly spreading. Ya, tidak akan menyebar dengan cepat. Okay, that's good. That's the opinion from Miss Diska. Okay, thank you, Miss Diska. Yes, thank you for the opinion. And also now, Anissa. So Anissa, do you have any idea to handling this COVID-19 spreading? Do you have any idea, Anissa?
Mm, I think the citizens of Australia is obedient.
Good.
They are follow the rules of the government so well, and I hope Indonesian people can do it too, because I think I see there's so much people that
So many
doesn't
people. So
they
many people.
yeah
Yes.
yeah so many people do not doing social distancing, and they don't wear any mask. That's why maybe in Indonesia the spreading of this virus still increasing day per day.
Okay, good.
I hope they can for they could become maksudnya bisa kayak orang-orang di Australia yang
Yes.
patuh gitu loh, Sir.
Yes, they can follow the models of Australian citizens. Contoh penduduk
Yeah.
Australia, models is a contoh. Okay, the Australian citizens model, contoh penduduk Australia. Okay, that's good. That's good, Anissa. That's good opinion as well. Okay, so Anissa has the opinion, Miss Diska, that if Indonesian people, actually Australian citizen, are following the government's rule as well or very well, sangat baik. So, yeah, the victims of coronavirus, if not so high, and the cases is not so high with other countries. And if Indonesian people do like that, so the victim also will not so high. Yeah, so Indonesian people can follow the regulations, can follow the governments. Yeah, they can use masks. Yeah, they can keep social distancing, something like that. But Anissa said many Indonesian people they do not use masks, yeah, for now. Yeah, so that why the victims of coronavirus increase day by day, ya, meningkat hari demi hari. Ya, because many Indonesian people do not follow the regulation system. They do not follow the government regulations, ya, peraturan pemerintah. Yeah, so the victim increase day by day. Anissa said like that. Okay, that's good. So if we can follow the Australian citizens models, yeah, so yeah, that will be yeah make actually make the small scale, yeah, of COVID-19 cases like that, membuat skala kecil of COVID-19 cases. Yeah, if we follow the Australian citizens models. Okay, that was good, Anissa. That was good opinion. Okay, so continue. Yes. Yeah, because Australia also the goods handlings. Okay, Anissa, please read this paragraph. A cluster of infection in Melbourne, the Victoria capital and Australia's second largest city. Okay, you can read this, Anissa. A cluster of infections in Melbourne.
A cluster of infection in Melbourne, the Victorian capital and Australia's second largest city, forced authorities last week to impose a night curfew, tighten restrictions of people's daily movements, and order large parts of state economy to close.
Yes, yes, that's good. Okay, thank you for the reading, Anissa. A cluster of infection in Melbourne, the Victorian capital and Australian second largest city. Yeah, Melbourne is the Victorian capital. Ya, ibu kota Victoria. Maka namanya Victorian capital. Capital itu artinya ibu kota. Victoria. Di Melbourne itu di negara bagian Victoria and Australia second largest city. Dan kota kedua terbesar di Australia itu adalah Melbourne.
Australia.
Yes. Ada S-nya karena menyatakan milik. Kotanya milik siapa? Milik Australia. Gitu. Maka Australians. Ya. Australians. Kadang akan ada Australia's Got Talents. Ya, seperti itu. Ada Britain's. Kalau Inggris, Britain Got Talents. Punya British, Britain. Oke. Jadi Melbourne adalah kota kedua terbesar di Australia. Ya, force authorities last week. Ya, authorities artinya kewenangan. Force, ya, memaksa, kewenangan. Last week. Ya. To impose a night curfew. Ya, night curfew. Ya, curfew itu artinya di waktu malam gitu. Artinya curfew itu artinya waktu malam. Do you have curfew times? Ya, contohnya kita curfew itu jam malam. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya dia lebih tepatnya jam malam. Ya, curfew. Please call me curfew. Tolong telepon saya di jam-jam malam. Nanti dia menyesuaikan sendiri. Mungkin jam 8, jam 9, jam 10 gitu kan. Curfew namanya. Curfew itu artinya jam malam. Oke. Nah, jadi Melbourne, Australia, Melbourne di Victoria, Australia, ini force ya, force ini memaksakan. Authorities peraturan-peraturan last week, peraturan atau kewenangan ya, authorities itu adalah kewenangan. Kewenangan last week to impose untuk memaksa a night curfew, ya, jam-jam malam. Tighten restrictions, memperketat restrictions. Restriction itu ya peraturan on people daily movement ya, pada aktivitas orang-orang daily ya, setiap hari ya, daily artinya harian, setiap hari gitu. And order last part of state economy to close ya, and order large parts of state economy to close, atau order memerintahkan large parts, large parts, bagian-bagian yang lebih luas lagi, ya, large parts, ya, bagian yang lebih luas ya, of state economy, ya, ekonomi negara to close, untuk ditutup ya. Jadi sampai peraturannya diperketat seperti itu. Jadi diperketat lagi peraturannya, kemudian kewenangannya dipaksakan ya kan, untuk menghindari jam-jam malam. Ya, biasanya jam-jam malam itu kan banyak orang keluar, banyak orang nongkrong gitu kan. Dalam bahasa Indonesia apa ya? Nongkrong. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya hang out, nongkrong ya. Nongkrong atau ketemu temannya di kafe, di restoran, ya, seperti itu. Itu diperketat. Ya, memperketat peraturan pada orang-orang, aktivitas orang-orang. Movement itu artinya kan pergerakan atau aktivitas. Ya, aktivitas orang-orang, atau yang lebih luas lagi, ekonominya di lockdown dulu, ditutup, artinya lockdown. Jadi aktivitas ekonominya ditutup, seperti itu. Ya, lockdown, jadinya menghindari warga negaranya dari infeksi coronavirus. Ya. A cluster, nah, tadi ada kata cluster ya, yang atas ini, oke kita bahas. A cluster of infection in Melbourne. Ya, cluster artinya kelompok, sekelompok infection in Melbourne. Ya, sekelompok infection in Melbourne, ya infeksi di Melbourne. A cluster ini artinya kelompok, bisa berarti kelompok. Cluster artinya kelompok. Ya, dia yang bikin peraturan itu ya, kelompok untuk menghindari infeksi coronavirus di Melbourne, Australia. Sampai akhirnya ekonominya bisa jadi ditutup dulu, ya, nggak ada aktivitas ekonomi. Ya, for example, Indonesia few months ago. Ya, few months ago we already did. Ya, we did anything at home. Ya, we did work at home. We did fasting at home. Ya. Then we did worship, ya, worshiping, for example like tarawih, ya, beribadah, tarawih ya, at home, ya, anything at home. Ya, we already done. Ya, kita sudah melaksanakan about that. Okay, but after the Indonesian governments and the Indonesian presidents announced for the new normal system, ya, for the new normal system. So many people can go out. Many people can do their activities again. Yeah, so yeah, but they must follow the protocols. Yeah, they must follow the protocols. Yeah, they must use masks. They must keep social distancing. Yeah, something like that. But we already, maybe we have been 2 months. Yeah. For the new normal, we have been 2 months now. Yeah, start from the 1st June until August. So yeah, more than 2 months. Yeah, maybe it has been 70 days now. Yeah, it has been 70 days now. Yeah, so many easing. Ya, banyak easing. Kemudahan, easing, kelonggaran. Yeah, so many easing. Yeah, so Indonesian people also thinking easy like that. Yeah, take it easy. Yeah, menggampangkan. Yeah, take it easy. So many Indonesian people they go out without any masks. Yeah, they gathering with their communities. Ya, mereka berkumpul dengan kelompok-kelompoknya, communities. Yeah, so yeah, sometimes it can be spreading the new virus. Bisa saja itu menyebarkan new virus, ya, virus baru of COVID-19. Because many people we don't know who infected. Karena banyak orang kita nggak tahu siapa yang terinfeksi. Okay, that was good. So I already got the news. I already got the opinion from Miss Diska and also Anissa. So one more thing from you both, to Anda berdua, one more thing. So this is also your opinion, Miss Diska. I will ask to Miss Diska first. Miss Diska, do you think that the vaccines for coronavirus will be fine? The vaccine of COVID-19, do you think, Miss Diska, and what the reason?
I think I even hear before
Yes.
The vaccine.
Yes, your speaker, please, Miss Diska. Your voice so loud. Yeah. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, okay, good. Now it's better. Okay, good. Okay.
Even I even hear if the vaccine was found, uh, and I think if now they are make the vaccine and sedang mencoba trying to memperbanyak
To make massive, untuk membuat lebih banyak massal, ya. To make massively, massive, massa, ya, banyak. Yes.
to uh,
Yes.
reproduce the vaccine,
Yes.
and I think maybe in this year or in December the vaccine will be sharing in the world.
Will be fine. I'm sorry, I didn't catch it, Miss Siska. Will be fine. Akan ditemukan. Will be found. Akan ditemukan. Oke.
Sudah ditemukan pas.
Okay, so
I think in this year or in December the
yes.
vaccine will sudah will their share to all countries.
Okay, understood. Will share. Ya, akan dibagikan. Okay, to all countries in the world in December. So the vaccine already found, Miss Siska.
Yeah, I ever heard before from television.
Okay, that's good news. That's good for us. Yeah, that's good news for us. Okay, so Miss Siska said the vaccine already found, yeah, already found that she got from the television. Yeah, she heard the news from the television that vaccine already found, yeah, for coronavirus, yeah, already found. And in this year, yeah, in December this year, the vaccine will share to other countries in the world. Okay, okay, that's good news, Miss Tiska. Okay, thank you. So, yeah, I think so. So, if the vaccine already found, so that's good news. So, we wish that this coronavirus can be vanished. Kita berharap this coronavirus can be vanished, bisa dimusnahkan. Ya, vanish artinya musnahkan. Saya chat ya di sini, chat. Vanish tulisannya seperti ini. Vanish artinya dimusnahkan. Ya. Jadi ada kalau will be upon, ya, akan ditemukan. Kalau ditemukan pakai found, akan ditemukan, ya, will be found, will be started, akan dimulai, seperti itu, something like that. Okay. Okay, I will ask to Anissa for now. So, a moment, okay. Anissa, so have you got the news that vaccine already found for coronavirus?
Until now,
yes.
Until now, I haven't heard that news, sir, but I hope that news is true. mm, I am waiting for American scientists to found the vaccines because I think America is apa ya, negara maju itu loh, sir.
Yes, the advanced
Kayak
country. Yeah, the advanced country.
iya,
Yeah. Okay.
iya. But they haven't found the vaccines yet, so I'm not sure the vaccines will be found. But I hope this pandemic would end very soon.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So the Zoom will off in 1 minute. So please join again when it's off. Anissa, please join to the Zoom again, and also Miss
Yeah.
Jessica. Yes, because it's off every 40 minutes automatically. Okay, that was good. So we still discuss about this for 20 minutes next. Yeah, it's around 20 minutes next. So please join again to the Zoom. Okay,